Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to the Day Trader. What a day it's been! Wow, this is difficult to deal with right now. It's getting harder and harder and harder as we go. So, welcome to the show. Welcome all of you. Very difficult day today to try to manage all these stocks, I have to say. But let's get straight into our trades. Let's have a look right now. Where are we on the hour? We're down again, 294. 826, sorry, 2.5%. Very difficult to manage this, indeed. Let's go over to the main portfolio right now. You can see it. It's dramatically down. It's getting harder and harder to manage these stocks like this. Beetle Sean, welcome to you. It's a difficult day trying to manage these stocks like this. It's becoming increasingly more difficult. Not quite sure how to cope with it right now. I keep buying dips and then the dips go down. My trailing stop loss on CEI, unfortunately, I'm out of the money. I've lost money on it. I made money, then I lost it. Difficult. Very, very difficult. A new strategy today. I've not used it before. The problem I think I had was I didn't allow a big enough swing, and I did it at I think 6%, then 10, then 13, and there was bigger swings than that, and it sold out. I should have. I mean, it's there to protect the loss, but of course if the swings in between are bigger, you'll keep selling out. Then you buy it back and sell again. You just keep catching the bottom all the time. That's why I've always done manual trades. I haven't done this automated trading until today, and I'm actually down $100, and I would actually be now up $1,000. So that's very expensive cost, expensive lesson. Very frustrated, and right now I can't afford that. We are hitting all-time lows right now. So now what do? I mean, do I buy in again and try it for the fourth time and set bigger swings? That would feel like gambling to me. That would feel like you've been to the casino, you've lost 3 times, and now you put all your money on black. It's like this could crash at any moment, and the trouble is, until it goes up considerably, I can't set a big enough swing. So if I set, this is so difficult. I could buy in again now. Buying again now and wait until I get up 10% and then add the 30, maybe like a 15% stop loss, something like that. But it's very difficult, very frustrating. Look, there it goes again. Let's see. I would now be up $1,000. Unfortunately, I'm down 100 because I've mistimed it now several times. Over there on TikTok, welcome to all of you. How are you all? Lovely to have you with me. Thanks for being here. We're trying to get through a day today. It's very, very difficult. We're out of the money on everything now. It's bought in Google, bought in Tesla. Tesla's down again today. Look, 3% now. Bought the dips and we just keep losing it. Rivian, down and down and down. SPCE, God, how low can this stuff go? Obviously, we've got to realise, and we can't even start to think of complaining. There are people in Ukraine who would give their lives, literally, to be alive. So we can't sit here complaining if we're down. It's just impossible. We just cannot. But it's hurting. It really, really is. It's hard to watch it do this. I really thought Google at this price was great. I thought Amazon, I just can't believe it. I could sell for losses, but I just seem to do nothing but sell for losses right now. Hi all, Beetle Sean, let's get everybody in. Martyn Redding, how are you, Martyn? Martyn Redding, hi Alex, everyone's here. Welcome to everybody. We're having a very tough day today. It's getting tougher by the minute. Even my oil stocks have let me down. I mean, to be fair though, to be absolutely fair, it's me. Look at this. Camber Energy is up 74% today, and I've lost money on it. That is, I've used trailing stop losses for the first time. And when I was doing my Ukraine event, obviously I wasn't watching it, and it tripped a sale. That's very frustrating. Tripped to sell when it was down 13%. I thought the 13% swing was big enough, but it wasn't. What you need to do is get a good enough profit in it, and then allow for that swing to occur without selling out, but still protecting when you're going down. That's why I do manual trades. This is the first time I've done an automated trade, and it's really caught me out. And it's still hedging upwards. But it feels very frustrating to look at that and go, it's up today 75%. How many days do you get days when a stock is up 75% and you lose money on it? That is bad management on my part. That is really bad management. I think anyone would agree. On the last trade, I made $100, and I bought back in again, and didn't set it high enough, and it sold out at a loss, which wiped it out. In fact, it took it down 200, so I'm down $100. So lesson to be learned there. If you use trading stop losses, it's great because it keeps following it up, keeps going up, and you're guaranteed you can't lose money once you get above a certain amount. But if your stop loss swing isn't great enough, it will sell out before you've made any money. So annoying. So annoying when a stock is up 75%, I'm down $100 on it. That's crazy. But my portfolio is in all kinds of trouble today. 35.2. I've got to keep telling myself we can't moan. There are people in Ukraine today who'd give their right arm to be sat here. So I think I've got to walk away from Canva now. If it suddenly goes to $1 million, whatever, it is what it is. I think I've got to walk away. I can't re-enter this now. I am down overall today, but making money in VIXY and SQQQ. About to sell them after buying in waves, and after buying in waves earlier today. Awesome, mate. Nice one. Too many small ups and downs is the problem, do you think? Yeah. Well, it's because I didn't set my swing enough. I allowed a 13%. Well, if you look at this, there's 88% up. And that there is 67. That's a 20% swing right there. And that's what took me out. You have to make sure that you set big enough swings, but obviously if you set 100% swing, then you just allow it to go to nothing, right? I mean, the way that a trading stop loss works is you need to have already made a profit, and worst case scenario takes you back to break even or a wash. If you've only got 5% in it, you just bought it in, right? And you're up 1%. Because that's what happens, right? You buy a stock, you're up 1% if you're lucky. And you've set a 13% trading loss. You think that's a good swing. But you just bought in at 1%. You're only 1% up. And it's swinging backwards and forwards 20%. And it goes down 13% straight away. Boom, you've sold out. Well, obviously, if I was manually doing it, I wouldn't have sold it out. But the purpose of a trading stop loss is to stop you losing money. It was doing its job. I mean, at the end of the day, that stock then could have gone to zero, and it prevented me going to zero. Yes, up profit to set stop loss. Yes, up profit to set stop loss. That's right. You've got to make profit first. Otherwise, you're just... I mean, I've never done that before. I've never bought in a stock and then like 5 minutes later sold it for a 13% loss. That's how to throw money away. I mean, how quickly can you do it? So I actually feel quite an idiot. I'll be honest with you. That's a really bad managed trade today. I mean, the stock is a perfect stock today. This is we were given this information by Peru Invest, who was absolutely spot on. Look at it. It's up 76%. How the hell could you lose money on a stock that's up 76% in one day and you only entered it today? How could you possibly do that? Well, I've just done it. And I really could have done with that $1,000. Unfortunately, there it is. Leah, welcome Leah. Hiya. Here she is. Leah's in the house. So it is what it is. Got to manage it a lot better than that. Palantir, Tesla, Tesla's down. See, look, Tesla's falling down. We are getting everything crashed today. I don't know where to start with it. Over there on TikTok, how you all doing? Welcome to the show. HS3, lovely to have you here. Here we are on YouTube. This is where we're trading here today. Thank you so much for being here. Rivian is down 8%. Peru Invest, MULN was a good trade too. MULN, I wasn't in that because I haven't got any money to spend on it. MULN, automotive. Let's have a look. Yeah, look at that, 43%. Ay, ay, ay. Yeah, that's great. How the hell could I have lost money on CEI today? Canberra. Peru Invest. Well, we know exactly how. What I did as I came in, and I set this morning when I first came in, I set it for 6%. That was my mistake. The stock was going up, and I set it for 6%. So when it dropped 7%, I was out. And then I saw it continue to rise, so I jumped back on it and did it again. I lost $9 the second time. Then the third time I made $100. And the second time, the fourth time, I lost $150. Basically, my stop loss percentages were not great enough to swallow the swings. That's basically it. It's very simple, really. It really is black and white. So I've mismanaged it, done a really bad job, and I have to take it on the chin, have to own it. Right now, there ain't nothing I can do about it. Anyway, so now I've moved into Tesla, obviously buying all the dips, and the dips keep on coming. Now the trouble is with Tesla, of course, it seems really cheap because we were at $1,200 a few months ago, and now we're 800. It seems like a bargain, but when you do the technical analysis, this stock's only worth $200. So at $800, could lose $600 a share. Well, that's $3,000 that could lose. It could. I don't think so, but that's what it could do. Rivian, we know Rivian's only worth $20 a share. We know that, but we obviously bought in with the excitement of it all. $170 back in the day when it pre-IPO. Look at it now, 43. Keep buying the dips, keep losing money. Virgin Galactic, $60 a share, now $7.49. And at some point, you've got to go, I can't do any more. I can't buy any more dips. Otherwise, you literally will bankrupt yourself. You've just got to walk away and go, I can't do any more dips. And I can't do any more about it. Good morning to everybody over there on TikTok. Welcome to the show. So here we are. We've got to accept what's going on right now. And really, there isn't much we can do about it. I bought 100 shares of SQQQ this morning, 44.50. When it hits 46, I set a stop limit of 100. Okay, let's look at this now. Let's study this. Right? I bought 100 shares of SQQ this morning at 44.50. When it hit 46, I set a stop limit of 100 at 45.50. Then it moved up in 0.5 levels as it went up. That's exactly how you do it. See, I did it right, but I didn't have a big enough profit in it. See what Martin did there, look. He bought it at 44.50. He waited for it to get to 46. He then set the limit at 45.50. And it's been moving up ever since. All right, you need to make sure that your swing is big enough. I understand it perfectly. I just didn't allow a big enough swing. That's it. What it comes down to. That's what it comes down to. Now, what I have to do now is I'm not in a position to lose any more money. Now, I could set stop losses here, but once you sell out, you lose that money, right? Whereas right now, this is worth, you know, Amazon's 2.7. Historically, that's low, right? I mean, it's been 3.5 grand. If we go back, look. Up here. Didn't expect Amazon to be down there, do we? Peru should we keep MULN? It depends where you are right now, right? If you're up and you've made a decent profit, I would say take a decent profit right now. I would be taking profits. Look at it. And Camber Energy is still moving up. It was a great tip. It was a great tip. And it was a great... the world is now... You know, we're about to ban oil. Russian oil. These stocks are going to keep going. And I'm out of it now. Now, I could buy more and do nothing. Just wait for the profit to rise. But I'm not in a position. I don't have any more money to put in it. So I can't. This is an identical pattern as the last big crash. First week oil pump, then growth stock, then battery stock, and weed stock at last. Margin calls started coming in on European close. We might trigger circuit breakers. Margin calls starting coming in on European close. Yeah. This is what's happening. If people are using margin and then it drops too much, margin calls, and then everything starts selling for losses, then the prices will go down even further. We might trigger circuit breakers. This is an identical pattern as last big crash. First week oil pump, then growth stocks. Well, then battery stock and weed stock at last. Look at it. Look at Camber. How I feel such a fool. I feel such a fool that I'm actually down on a stock. Well, that's gone up 80% in a day. I mean, I feel, you know, how could you possibly be 80%? How could you be down on a stock that's gone up 80%? What an idiot. All the EV stock is a great buy at this time. MULN, NEO, I am buying this like crazy. Yeah, I'm afraid I'm not in that position anymore now. I'm not in a position. HUSA. I'm going to walk away. And HUSA, look at this. 562% today. How have I played this so bad? Look at the opportunities today. Houston American Energy, 562% today. Me and Peru both told you, buy as much energy as you can and buy with both fists, with the slightest signs of weakness. 562. Wow, look at the whoa! Look at the speed of this. Whoa, look at the speed of this, folks. Wow, look at the speed of this. Right, hang on. This is exploding. Hang on a minute. I've got to put an order in here. Right. Trading stop order. Look at this. Trading stop order. Right, okay. My gosh, look at this. Houston American Energy is exploding. I've just bought... That's ridiculous. Oh, God. I've not done it again, have I? I got caught out again. No way. Don't let me get caught again. Look at this. Houston Energy. Drillian, thank you so much indeed for the tip. Oh no, don't do that again to me. Hi Martin, hi all. Have you... Don't chase. Yeah, I know. I'm making some really big mistakes here. 573%. That is absolutely bloody insane. Absolutely insane. Don't chase. I know. How on earth could it go up like that? Never chase this stuff. Relax. I will tell you more. Good. Okay. Over the last few days, I've made a lot of mistakes. I've never made these mistakes before. I never did any of this sort of stuff. I've got to reset myself because this is ridiculous. Yeah, that could go to nothing now. I'm going to have to take that on the chin. Peru, should I sell that? What do you think? Is that going to collapse now? Should I sell that? I'm chasing. I shouldn't be doing this. This is not investing. You are a warrior. You been there hours. Peru Invest, should I sell this one? I just jumped in at this. Ridiculous. I'm making some fundamental mistakes today. I know I am. I would sell it. That's how to lose $100. Yeah. Do not chase a stock. I know that's basic fundamentals. I've got to reset everything in my brain with this trading now because I'm making absolutely fundamental mistakes left, right and center and I'm not in a position to do it. Wow. I jumped, I mean... Ugh. Okay. You watch now, it's going to carry on going. Look. Level 2, not terrible. Yeah, too late. I just sold it now. Oh, unreal. Now it's going up. I bought this 2 stock for short term. Right, okay. Listen, guys, I'm out of my depth right now. This is all getting a bit too much, a bit too crazy. I'm not a rich guy. I can't afford to play like this. I've got to take a step back because I'm making fundamental mistakes, trying to correct myself, and we all know that's wrong. If you're losing money, you don't go, right now, put everything on black and try to win. That's not how you do things. I know it can pay off. It can happen. But wow, I don't think I've ever seen a stock. Has anyone ever seen a stock like that? I've never seen a stock go up. That was over 600% a few moments ago. No, I've just sold it because I lost again. And now it's gone up again. Ah. Remember, I always said on this show, right, that what you're seeing here is my real money, my real positions. Everything here is real. Well, it's as real as it gets. This is all my money in the bank, all my money I've got. And tip, oil buy. Right. I can't take any more of these tips right now. I have to stop. I have to walk away. I have to, like you say, you don't chase. That's why I tried to help you, and I appreciate it. Peru Invest, I appreciate it, and I regard myself as an intelligent guy, a calm guy, a guy who will listen, learn, take his time, don't get greedy. I'm not greedy. You know, you've seen me get excited. I mean, Drillian gave me $1 tip today, whatever it was that came in a minute ago, and I'm thrilled to bits with it. I'm not a guy who gets greedy. Yeah, 179. Thank you ever so much, Drillian. But today I've made fundamental mistakes. Someone mentions a stock like that, and you think, oh, wow, look at that. It's just going and going and going and going and going. And the moment you buy it, it comes off the top. And when it's that high, it can drop 100% in a second. It's up 500%. It was up 650, I think, when I bought it. What we're doing here now, guys, we're gambling. We're gambling at stocks. We don't really know what they are. We don't know why it's happening. We know why it's happening, of course. It's because of the oil crisis now. We know why this is doing it. But what I did wrong here is I didn't set enough swings, so I lost my money there. How could you lose money when a stock is up 83%? And then I just lost money on the stock, which is up 533%. I've done some good things on this show. I've made some good trades. Today, I've made my worst trades ever. And I'm afraid, is crypto going to crash or bomb? I have no idea. I think right now, everything's being manipulated. We are people who are sensible are gambling. If you are based in the UK, on what platform I can get MULN? I don't know, Drillian. I don't know. I'll have a look. Is it on eTORO? I'll look for you. Let me have a look for you. Thank you for the tip. I really appreciate it. Let me look on eTORO. Here's eTORO. I'll see if I can find it for you. MULN. It's not on eTORO, I'm afraid. WEBULL. MULN. It's on WEBULL. It's on WEBULL, Drillian. Sorry, I wanted to tell you it was a huge gainer, like when I told you about Indo. No, Ryan, you were absolutely right, and I appreciate it. That's what we're here for, to share tips, to share news, what's going on. Absolutely right. Absolutely right. I handled it badly. I looked at it and thought, wow, it's running, and it was. I was watching it go up 550, 560, 570, 580. I mean, who's ever seen growth like that? And then within a second, I was down $100. That's bigger dips than you get on Bitcoin and stuff. The battle is lost, but the war is there to be won. You're right, Nicholas. I've just got to walk away now. There's no point me chasing these stocks. Go back to what I believe in. Go back to my fundamentals that was working for me. Stop chasing all this stuff because it is absolutely gambling now. It was perfect with Camber. I just didn't set big enough swings, I'm afraid. That's all that was. The trading stop loss was a great idea, but I didn't set it right. I should have set it with bigger swing. If was doing it manually, which is how I've always traded, I wouldn't have sold it when it did. I would have held back. But having said that, it's there to protect it crashing because it could at some point. Canberra is going to drop to zero again. So it was protecting me, but unfortunately I'd overinsured myself, overprotected myself. I never got to the profit point. That was the point. The swing was fine. I just never got to the point of it making enough money to cover the swing. Right, we've got 21 minutes to go. This is going to be the longest 21 minutes of my life. You will lose everything if you chase like that. You even scare me. Yeah. I will never do that again. When I first started day trading, I taught myself how to read the chart, etc., by day trading stocks. I wouldn't mind turning into a long position. So when I realized it was a bad trade, I could hold. But these types of stocks, you don't want to hold. Yeah, that's right. I understand that. I understand that this is just a scalping swing trade stock. This is not something you hold. I get it. So is CEI. I mean, I've been looking at the company today. It's in all kinds of bother. It's been in trouble with the SEC for not reporting its, filing its paperwork. This is a terrible company. But we're all getting excited because of oil. I get it. So day trade Tesla. Yeah, I do. And right now I've been buying the dips to recover my losses, and that's gone down. But we are what we are right now. I've moved my money into stocks. I think Lucid's doing well. Lucid seems to hold itself. I've got a bit of money in there. Peru, should we sell CEI? PayPal. You will win the war, but the strategic comeback to win. Leave the battle. Yeah. Well, that's it. I'm taking a breath. I'm taking some time off. I'm pulling out now. I say I'm pulling out. I'm not selling. I'm not selling these stocks anymore. I'm not selling at these losses. They're down. They're down for a reason. They're down because we've got a global crisis. They're down because of the war and everything else. They're fundamentally good companies. Google, Amazon, these are all good companies. Coca-Cola, all these companies. But I've stopped chasing. My personal non-financial advice. If you want to gamble, always gamble in pre-market and sell at 11 a.m. I always do that. Luckily, it's always worked for me. And I think you're right there as well. What's frustrating is these are fundamentals that I've learned and I've not applied them. My personal non-financial advice, if you want to gamble, always gamble in pre-market and sell at 11 a.m. We are basically trading the most difficult trading market. Yeah. And remember, guys, I'm just an entertainer trying to hold on to my life savings. And right now, though, I've got to walk away. When I say walk away, I don't mean sell my stocks, because I'm not doing that. I am where I am. Look at that, look. Kept on going up as well. Right, the first thing I'm going to do is close that. That doesn't bring me any good. Camber, I'll keep that open because we are in that. It's your show, Martin. Thank you, mate. Appreciate it. Remember, guys, we're not in a war today. We might be losing our money, or some of us are. Some of us are making fundamental mistakes, but we are alive, and I'm well, and I have a wife that loves me. So at the end of the day, and I have all my friends here who join me every day for the show. Thank you for those of you that joined me today for the show, by the way. CEI will pump again, so if you made money, take profit if you can. Rest is up to you. Smile, I lost too. Yeah. Mike, can you believe it? Don't you feel daft? A stock that's up 72% in a day, we lose money on. I mean, when you even say that, it sounds ridiculous, doesn't it? How could you lose on a stock that's up 73%? Are you absolutely bonking mad? Yep. I've seen blood pre-market on penny stocks, seen them drop 50% in a minute because of an offering. Look at that, Nicholas Morello. We're all learning. Yeah, bad time. SPC actually held up well in this inferno. Yeah. SPCE, I'm just down 2% right now. 753. I'm not buying any more, not doing anything else right now. Now I'm thinking I'm going to leave this now and until it does really well, you know, with the flights later in the year. When this goes to $30, $40, $50 a share, then I'll get my money back. But right now, I'm not doing it. I'm just not doing any more. I can't do any more. Reinvested 401k as of closing bell. Reinvested 401k as of closing bell. What do you mean? The bell hasn't gone yet. Do you mean your 401k as in your in the US isn't your pension like a 401k? Or is that you $401,000? What are you saying? Don't be so hard on yourself. It's a bad day. It will be better tomorrow. Yeah, but it hurts, Corinda. This does. I've never felt that I got hurt. Today I got hurt. Martin, I had 18 Ethereum on Cryptopia back in 2016, and it got hacked. I lost all of them. I hope it makes you feel better. No, it doesn't, because I'm sorry for you. You lost 18 Ethereum. It got hacked. I hope it makes you feel better. Oh, I put it in money market in September. Retirement money is how I see. Thanks for explaining that, mate. Corinda, I replied to your text. Did you get the reply to your text? Let's continue our conversation on that. We're trying to set up an event, a Ukraine event for a live holiday centre in the UK. Corinda Taylor, she runs a holiday park in the UK, and she's going to put a Ukraine show that I do on a big screen and get all the guests involved, and they can call in and be on the screen and share it and stuff like that. Be a wonderful moment, and she's wanting to do it on Sunday. I bought $100 worth of Bitcoin 2012 and lost the code. Oh dear. I bought $100 worth of Bitcoin and lost the code. Oh no. Oh dear, oh dear. $35 down 3% today. Camber Energy, it's just falling off now. Yeah, I got the message. Great. Okay, good. We can keep in touch then. It's only money. Yes, it is. Remember today, folks, this is important. This is the most important thing today, really. Remember one thing. People today in the Ukraine are being massacred. Let's remember that today. That's so important. That is the most important thing. Right now, we're 35. This is the lowest my portfolio has ever been. It's never been below 35. Also, generally worst time of day to trade is at the end of the day, at least for me. People take profits, volume drops, etc. No, I'm sure you're right there. I'm sure you're right there as well. Let's bring in some news as well. I've got some breaking news to share with everybody, so we need to keep our eye on that, and we'll have that as well. Okay, let's have a quick listen in to some breaking news right now. Here we go.
It could give us a definite oppose Putin as hard as we can, because again, you have seen, we have proven ourselves as a nation.
We heard today that MasterCard, Visa have pulled out of Russia, and also Netflix has gone, McDonald's, Coke, SPY 400 this month. Xavier Hayes, welcome to you. Thank you very much for your comment. I'll put it on the screen for everybody. There it is. Thanks a lot. Let's get back to the news.
to show Putin that there is a force that can oppose him as well, that it's not only Ukraine who fights him, but that it's the whole world that is fighting this war.
And it's gender blind, the opposition to Russia. We've seen pictures of you and many, many other women with rifles in battle fatigues, ready to take on what may come.
Correct. Well, the bullet doesn't care what's the gender of the hands that fired it, right? And when Putin was calculating...
There we go. More information there from Ukraine. We'll bring it to you. If you're over there on TikTok, thanks for joining us. We're live on YouTube right now, and we're bringing the breaking news for you on the screen. We've sold all our Bitcoin. We bought back in again at a lower price. It's at 37.5 right now. We're trying to make profits wherever we can and rebalance our portfolio. Camber Energy is coming down now. So there we go. Arc Innovation, Palantir, Tesla, Rivian, SPCE. It's down at 102 down. Oh, Drillion. Thank you ever so much, Drillion, for the tip. Thank you so much indeed. That's very kind of you. Thanks ever so much. Look at that. How cool is that? Thanks for your support to the channel. Amazon is down 5% today. I can't believe that. I only shop at Amazon. I mean, I literally do not shop anywhere else at all, period. Yeah. $11.54. PayPal. These are companies that I believe in, and I'm going to stick with them. And I'd love to buy these further dips, but at some point, just got to go. I can't do any more. Ethereum is falling down again. Look at that. Wow. I'm glad I lowered my averages with Bitcoin. Sorry, sold out and Fusion 301. Oh, look. Super chat, buy high, sell low. Yeah. Oh, look at that. I got 2 tips today. 15 minutes. Save it till my birthday. Save it till my birthday. By the way, it's my birthday on Wednesday. I hope you'll all join me. All right? Bloody hell. Oh, I got one from Mike as well. What's going on? Hey, guys. What's going on? Oh, my gosh. Oh, my gosh. Hey, guys. If you want to support the channel, please save it to my birthday. Bloody hell. That's amazing. Oh, Drillion. No, whoa, what's going on here? Oh, my gosh. Look. Oh my gosh, you guys, I don't know what to say about this. What the heck? I was going to say, bloody hell. I was going to say, look, has everybody liked the video yet? We've got 6 likes now. We're trying to get 100 people watch me live. I made 400 on CE because of you and your channel and the group. What? It's because of the members. It's because of people that watch the show. It's not because of me. I made $400 on CEI because of you and your channel and group. Wow. I'm speechless, but it's the community. I am just the studio that brings it together. I'm just the entertainer. I bring the show together. I stage the event. You know, it's your show. Well, it might be my show, but it only looks this good because of you guys. This screen here was paid for by Peru Invest. All of this is the money I get from memberships. Everything you put into the show, I build the show better. Everything you just donated to me there will go into the show. I appreciate it so much. I can't even begin to tell you. It's an honor. I toured 195 countries as a world piano man, many with Elton John, right? Back in the day, and all that collapsed with COVID and so on, and we lost everything, right? But, you know, I might earn just a few bucks a day on YouTube ads. It's about $10 a day, and this is my life savings. You can see it here. But the biggest honor is being here with you guys every day, watching these shows, being a part of it, and enabling me to continue entertaining and bringing people together in some fashion. So I appreciate it more than you know. Market profit. It's your show, but I'm right at least 50% of the time. Love it. I love market profit. The other day, it's funny. We've had like really, you know, tough banter and stuff like that. We go backwards and forwards like cat and dog sometimes. And then the other day he gave me this massive great tip, and I was like flipping heck, and it shocked me because we like fight each other every day. It's hilarious. Drillian, I've got another tip. Look at all these tips coming. I can't believe it. I'm so pleased. Fusion, you made $400, but you made it today because the community that we have brings people like Peru Invest, brings people like Market Profit, Muzanella, our big traders, Drillian, who give you great tips. I'm just the engine that drives it, that's all. But Canberra Energy is falling back down now. That doesn't make me feel better for those of you that are still in it, but I hope those of you that were in it did have a stop loss set at the appropriate amount. I wonder what happened to that Houston one. I shouldn't look. But whoa! Look at that! Look at that! That is my biggest. That's my. No, it's my second biggest tip ever. My biggest tip was a $99. That was from Peru Invest. $69. That's my second biggest tip ever. Oh gosh. Have another tip. This week's been good. It's been good. Oh God. I can't believe this. This is insane. Oh my God. You guys, I like. Wow. Wow, I know. I mean, it's blowing my mind, to be quite honest. It's absolutely blowing my mind. I'm really worried now you're doing all this because I think my birthday is going to be flat. My birthday is going to be rubbish. It's like, oh man. Keep your heads up. Sorry for the caps. Selling, making profits. Been easy. Keep your head up, mate. Sorry for the caps. Don't worry about that. Selling, making profits has been easy. Have another tip. This week's been good. Wow, wow, wow. Amazing. I'm actually quite emotional, to be quite honest, because, you know, I spend my life sat here talking to you guys, and I appreciate it. Like, really, I appreciate it. Wow, bloody hell. You need to trade these tips for your birthday. Yes, that's what I need to do. Check HUSA. HUSA. Oh God, here it is. Oh, that's gone back down as well. I feel better. I feel better. Obviously, like, you know. Thank you for telling me that. It makes me feel a bit better. I've just checked HUSA. There it is, look. I don't feel better if you're in that stock. Market selling off at close. I'm not having good feelings right here. Fusion, Oh, all energy stocks just dropped. I'm out of it now. CVX, DVN and XLE moving up, took profits from SQQQ and VIXY and rolled into them. There we go. Camber Energy is picking up again though. 125. CEI. I heard Microsoft today. Microsoft and the Anonymous, the hackers of the world, are protecting the internet networks of Ukraine. How incredible is that, by the way? Oh, thanks for the follows over there on TikTok. Can you believe what's happening today here on YouTube? The donations and the support to the channel is beyond belief. I absolutely beyond belief today. I invite everyone on TikTok, Twitter and Instagram, join me on March the 9th. It's on Wednesday. It's my 53rd birthday, and I invite you all to join me. And thanks for all the follows. Okay. Palantir is up today, 1.96. Tesla is now moving up again. Tesla, it's been going down and down. We're just getting a slight upturn. Trillion has just come in again with a 99 pence tip, which is basically £1, folks. Thank you so much indeed. That's like $1 here in the US. Thank you ever so much, Trillion, for that. I just saw it pop up in the live chat. Thank you very much indeed for that. CI Camber Energy starting to come up again. I think today's been my best ever day for the amount of super chat I've ever had. The highest amount, of course, was $300 the other day. That was thanks to Peru Invest. But I think today I've had the most the most super chats I've ever had. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, 8. Oh gosh. Right, let's have a look. Let's re-establish. Bitcoin is coming up again at 37. Ethereum is slowly coming up. Coca-Cola has been sideways all day. I'm still actually up with Coke. That's good. That's good. I'm up with Coke. Google, still falling. I'm down 3.5% with Google. I can't believe I'm still down with Google. Apple, I'm also now down for the very first time. I'm down 0.5% with Apple. Now, Apple, you would buy more, right? This would be a time to buy more. Without a doubt, this would be a time to buy more Apple. No question about it. It bounced off 158. We're nearly at that point now. Yeah, 158, nearly a year ago around that price. I think I would like to use my tips, which is $1, $70, 71, 72, 77, 83, 84, 85. I'd like to invest my $85 tip there into Apple. Real estate in Canada is bonkers. I made more in my entire life buying and selling a few lots over the last year. Real estate in Canada is bonkers. I made more in my entire life buying and selling a few lots over the last year. Yeah, I mean, I was gonna buy a Husa, but bought MXC for only 30% gain. I want to cry. Yeah, I know what that feels like. Buy some tequila and a pair of Speedos for your birthday celebration. Dear me. 59. Don't forget, there's a reasonable dividend. Well, half 0.54 on Apple. I'm not going to buy any more Apple. Sorry, it's not low enough. Looking at it, it's 0.5% down. It's not. If anything, I'd buy more Google, but I think right now I'm just going to hold the money where it is. For gold, GLD, GDMN, I have them, and I am starting to put more in all three. Make 2.3%. Martin, tomorrow is Apple event. If it disappoints investors, then it will go more down. Okay. Oh, the new products tomorrow. Okay. Muzanella, bloodbath. Muzanella's not happy. There we go. My stocks are now the lowest they've ever been. Yeah. Where did we go with Hooser? Just a matter of interest. Just interested. Yeah, popping back up again. Hey, crypto is down today. Here he is, Robert Durant. Robert, we're having a really tough day, mate. Smash the like, Robert. You've missed an amazing event today. So much has been going on. You wouldn't believe. Smash the like, Robert. We've had our toughest day ever. We are now breaking new levels. One minute to go. Oh, what a day. Over there on TikTok. Thanks for the follow. Thanks for everyone that's followed me today. Lovely to have you. Thank you so much indeed for being part of today's event. It's been a very, very, very difficult day today. Very difficult day. And I've been chasing and I shouldn't have done, and I've made lots of mistakes. Fundamental mistakes today. Coca-Cola trading sideways now. Ethereum is picking up. Bitcoin is picking up. ARK is down. ARK W is down. See, Canberra. Oh, there you go. The bell's gone. The bell is gone now. That's it. What a day. What a day. Of course, we've still got the after hours to go. But no bounce at all today. Nothing. Nothing at all. Well, tomorrow is Tuesday. Start again. Can't be worse than today, can it? Who knows? We'll be here with you. Now, many people told me when I started this channel, we will be a year old on June the 27th. 3 months from now, we'll be a year old. And people said to me, most financial day trading channels don't last 3 months. The people lose money, they give up, and so on. Well, we've been here 9 months. We've been here 9 months and we're still here. We are in our worst position, no question about it. There you go. That's where we are. But at the end of the day, That's where we are. Nothing we can do about that. We are where we are. But I'm not going anywhere. And if my portfolio goes to zero, I'm still going to be here because the family and the community that we built up is worth $1 million to me. So I'm not going anywhere. Right. Okay, let's do day trader of the day. Tesla, lovely price to purchase. 804. Yeah, I've got 5 shares of it. I've got 836 is my average now. 805. These markets are so oversold. Crazy how bad the last few trading days have been. Unfortunately, crashes don't care about technical indicators. No, they don't. Let's just get one thing straight. When you talk about the last few trading days, let's go back the last 3 months over the overall portfolio. Look, I was at 58,000. Elton John, I'm still standing. Yeah, yeah. Look at that. I was up 24%. I'm now down 24%. That is 48% down. My portfolio is 48% down since November 16. Wow. 48% down in just a few months. I'm expecting a flash crash like COVID-1. All right. Let's do day trader of the day. Let's see where everybody comes in. I am down 3.86%. I'm down 3.86%. Don't post your scores yet until I give you a timer on the wall. How much money did you start with in your account, Martyn? Oh, with 5,000. I've done really, really well. Right, but it's all running away very, very quick. It's all running away very, very quick. Homes in my neck of the woods have doubled since we bought 6 years ago. But if you sell, you have to pay more than for another one. So 100 miles north and grab a box down a lot. We broke the February 24 low. Lots of broken technicals and many big gaps to fill on the way down. That just sounds great. That just sounds brilliant. Okay, 1 minute on the clock. Now, put your scores on the doors. Let's see who's where. I'm down 3.86. Down 0.1, that's more like it. Down big. Down 0.67. Down 2.99. The winner so far is Peru Invest, is down just 0.1. Anybody beat that? Okay. There you go. Peru Invest. How cool is that, everybody? Peru Invest is our winner. There we go. Let's give him let's thank him for his honest trades. Give him a big thumbs up. Let me just correct the lighting on there. There we go. Got to do that on TikTok. Look. Thanks for your honest trades. Give him a big thumbs up. And, of course, round of applause. Nice one. Oh. Bill is down 17%. Ouch. That hurts. That hurts big time. I know. I know what that feels like. Well, there we go, folks. That's the end of today's show. I'll be back in the morning for the opening bell. we've got an earnings report tomorrow night, an earnings report Wednesday night, I think it is as well. Got a lot coming up, a lot of earnings reports coming up. And Wednesday, everyone's invited to my birthday. Let's have a look at it here. We've got 7 likes now on the video. Corinda is saying, let's get 100 likes, 100 live views. That'll be a bloody miracle. Down 0.11. Very, very good, Fusion. Down 0.11. If it's Tuesday, this must be Belgium. No. Tuesday tomorrow. Not Tuesday today. It must be Belgium. There you go. Here's the video. So this is my birthday video, live on Wednesday. I've got 7 likes on it right now. Give it a like. Let's see what we can get. We need 100 people watching it live. The highest we ever got was 54. So I ain't got no chance at all. But it's fun dreaming about it. Anyway, whatever. We shall see how we go with that. We're watching the portfolio still fall. It's down 4% today. I'm kind of, where I am is where I am. It is what it is. I hate that sentence. It's a ridiculous thing to say. Oh, ARK is going down. Palantir is going down. Tesla is still falling. Where are we now? Oh, yeah. Look at that, 802. SPCE is trying to push up. Twitter is falling down. I keep moving my VIXY stop loss up, and I am 90% out of SQQ for overnight, I think, unless I buy in aftermarket. Thank you very much. Nvidia is also going down. Facebook is going down. GGPI is going down. Lucid is going down. Robinhood is going... Oh, right, okay. Need we carry on? Anybody want me to carry on? Oh, gosh. Look at Apple. Sorry, Boeing. Apple, everything. I don't think there's a stock that's doing any good. All right. SARK is up. S-A-R-K. S-A-R-K. SARK is up. Let's have a look at it. What did Houston American Energy do? S-A-R-K. SARK. Yep, that's doing well as well. All right, time to end the show. That's it for me today. What a day, what a day, what a day. I'm going to take a break. I'm absolutely whacked out. Thank you for joining me for the Ukraine event today. We touched a lot of people today. We had people in Poland today, and it was quite emotional, quite a powerful afternoon. If you've not yet seen the show, let me give you the link to it. It was quite a powerful one today. We had quite a few people in, so I'll show you. I'll show you the show here. Here it is. Go on to the Martyn Lucas channel. It's on the homepage of the Day Trader, and past live streams. This is today's show. Here it is. I will give it to you right now. This is what it looked like. I'm going to give you the link if you want to go and have a little listen in and see what we did. Here is today's show. Very powerful, very emotional. All right, that's it from me. Thanks for joining me. I'll see you back in the morning. It just leaves me to say, change that one round. There we go. Husa is down another 9% in the after hours. Make you feel? It doesn't make me feel better. I don't want people losing their money. We don't want stocks like this. We want people investing and growing. We don't want people collapsing. It's no good, is it, for anybody? No good for the stock, no good for the company, no good for anybody. I mean, this is not what you want. All right, that's it from me. I'll see you back in the morning. Take care of yourselves and each other.